Here. Run them over. Yeah, R68 come to to be honest. Yeah, RCC make an announcement. Anyone working on the tracks in the Franklin Shuttle, clear up, clear up. Train is unable to stop. Make an umbrella announcement. Anyone working on the Franklin Shuttle track, north and south, clear up. Anyone working between Park Place, Prospect Park, Shuttle Line, clear up. Train is leaving topside, unable to stop at Park Place, approaching Botanic Garden. Train could not stop at Park Place. Train operator applied full service, train still sliding out of the station. Superintendent Javier on the scene in the cab. Decap, can you clear the home signal for the shuttle? Decap, clear the home signal for the shuttle. Hey boss, you have to punch, Decap. Clear up there, you have to punch. And the signal is an automatic, you gotta punch. Yes, you have to punch, otherwise you're not gonna get no lineup. Even if you hit the home signal, no big deal. There is no switch here. Yeah, there is no switch here. It's an emergency, no. Whenever you can stop, even if you put one door panel, that'll be good.
You're not stopping?
Yeah, I'm going to open over there. Just be careful when you walk out. Next one. Just be careful, guys, when you walk in. Be careful. Very, very careful. Very careful. Very careful. Good stuff. Wow. pilot.
What up, brother?